Recording.
Okay, I got my reduced reach handlebars installed on the 21 Indian Challenger, and you can see from the profile they're sitting back quite a bit closer to the rider, and that makes it a lot easier for me to maneuver because my arms, I guess, are not as long as some. But having said that, some people like their handlebars, as I mentioned in the previous video, up taller than I do, and mine are pretty low on the motorcycle, as you can see. And I've seen them come up over the fairing up here. And with my shoulder, that's not going to work. But these are much better for me. They're much more comfortable. I have a lot more control. And what Indian says is just 2 inches, but that 2 inches makes a huge difference. So in order to get to the handlebar hardware, or in order to do the swap, you start with the seat. You remove that. Then you take off your gas tank. And then you take off your front fairing. So all this shroud comes off. They call it a front fairing. And I can see why Indian dealers charge so much for it, because it took me every bit of 5 hours to do. And plus, you have to rewire and reuse all of the wiring that's in the handlebar. So it's internally run. It comes out under this switch cube, which comes off. The grips come off. These are heated grips. So they come off as well. All this hardware comes off. The brake master cylinder, mirror, clutch lever, all that comes off as one piece. But as you see, it's an involved all-day deal. At least it was for me. And the result is I'm happy with the position that I'm in now. It makes me feel very good on the bike. I don't have to reach as far when I do tight turns in parking lots. And so all in all, it was a successful install. No extra parts left over. Everything works. What I would suggest that you do is, if you're going to tackle the job yourself, there's a couple of YouTube videos. One from J&P Cycle, which is very good. Another one from KST Handlebar Company. And they do a good job with their videos. But I'd make sure I have all the tools right. The torque wrenches, I'd make sure I'd have those handy. Give yourself plenty of room. Give yourself a less than half-empty tank, because it becomes something that is quite heavy when it's a full tank of gas. And let me know if you have any questions on the install. I'm not the expert, but I did it successfully. So drop your comments in the area below. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe as always. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.